goro Emmanuel ya kurara mwanange Tora renye shomorori wakwa Morori wakwa Morori wakwa Nyari nyamwege wako Hotanera Adena Newe utaibyo wakwa Adena Newe utaibyo wakwa Aratana Baitura Magedu Maudo Kanaga, Oshomorori wakwa Atirio nende waidhagyo kakigwira Wedo wake ndewa maregania Tora dhinye Oshomorori wakwa Morori wakwa Morori wakwa Nyari nyamwige wako Hotanera Adena Newe utaibyo wakwa
Kwa gũthoma na Gĩthũngũ ũguo tũthiĩ part ya Gĩthũngũ. Birth. The late George Maina was born on 14th July 1980 at Kamode, Tigoni, being the last born of Miss Beth Wajiko Kariuki. His siblings are Stephen Kamau, Kamaua Beth, and the late Esther Wanjiru. Early life and childhood. The late George grew up as an obedient boy, normally helping in the daily chores. Education. When he attended school-going age, George joined Escarpment Primary School in Kirega Ward, Rari Sub-County. He was later transferred to Gure Primary School in Gitaru, Kabete Sub-County, where he sat for his KCPE in the year 1995. He proceeded for his secondary education at Kikuyu Day High School, currently PCA Kikuyu High School, where he sat for his KCSE in the year 1999. After high school, he enrolled for computer training at ACK Tumaini Computer College, RaceNet Computer College, where he acquired high skills in computer software installation and management, graphic design, digital music production and publishing, and video editing. Church. George was introduced to Christianity when he was very young. He was taken to AIPCA Escarpment, where he was baptized in the year 1984. When they moved to Kikuyu, he joined the Anglican Church, where he was confirmed on 23rd November 1993 by the late Right Reverend George M. Jogona, then the Bishop of Diocese of Mount Kenya South. Service and ministry. George was very passionate in the Lord's service, where he accepted Christ as his personal savior and was actively ministering to his fellow students in high school, being a Christian Union leader. He was commissioned as KAYO, meaning Kenya Anglican Youth Organization, member, and went on to become the parish KAYO secretary for a long time. While serving, he was instrumental in various activities like composing songs and dramas for the youth, and he will be remembered with a play he starred during the uproar that followed the murder of Father Kaiser, the Roman Catholic priest. The play was very emotional and moved many. He was also greatly talented in instrument, and especially the keyboard, where he used to play during the church service. He also assisted in catechism classes and was a leader of the mission and evangelism committee, and also was in prison worship. He later joined church ministry and became an evangelist, and his first posting was in Kamburu Parish in Githunguri, where he passionately served for a long time. He also served in Ondire and Nyaduna parishes. Work and career. George went on to work in many other places as he worked as an instructor at various driving schools, among them Metrotrans, Africana, and Petans Driving School. He started his own video production company, Pictureland Media, and some of his great clients were Isaac Kahora, PJ Congo, among others. He also worked as an office assistant at Omiti and Jagi Associates in Kikuyu. In the year 2015, he was employed by Jogu Ajoroge at Savi Media as the senior video producer and editor. He was later employed by Charming Media, where he was working till his demise. Marriage life. On 11th August 2007, George married Phyllis Njeri in a church wedding and was blessed with 2 girls, Luisa Wanjiko Maina and Peniel Wanjiko Maina. Death. On Thursday, 29th of October 2020, George was walking home in the evening on Thursday, 29th October 2020, George was walking home in the evening when a speeding car hit him, killing him on the spot. The accident happened at Raibai, Kiambu. George lives behind his 2 girls, Luisa and Peniel Maina. He has rested at the age of 40 years. The Lord gave us George and he has taken him away. Praise be to his name. Rest in peace, George, till we meet again. Jesus said, I am the resurrection of life. The one who believes in me will live even though he dies. That is John 11, verse 25.
Murori wakwa nyari nyamuige wako hotanera dena newe utaidio wakwa dena newe utaidio wakwa teveno danagia na morito maige arata kwa makajagiro taidio na murori ucio wakwa direra githidi Keharia kwa gyothe gathira Tora thine wacio murori wakwa Nyari nyamuige wakuhotanira Dena newe utaidio wakwa Dena newe utaidio wakwa Makagirera na matijarerie Nodire deda noro ne hinyagoro Emmanuelia turaga hamwe nange Kutora thine wacio murori wakwa Nyari nyamuige wakuhotanira Dena newe utaidio wakwa Utaidio wakwa Aratana dwaitura magedu maudhu Dirikanaga ucio murori wakwa Atigire onene waithiage ukakigwira Wendo wake ni wa magegania Tũgĩtũra thĩinĩ wacio murori wakwa Nĩarĩ hinya mũingĩ wa kũhotanĩra Thĩna nĩwe ũteithio wakwa Thĩna nĩwe ũteithio wakwa Aheaga gĩkeno hĩndĩ ya kĩeha ngoro ya ũcio mũrori wakwa mũrori wakwa mũrori wakwa nĩ arĩ hinya mũingĩ wa kũhotanĩra rĩrĩa ndĩna thĩna nĩwe ũteithio wakwa rĩrĩa ndĩna thĩna nĩwe ũteithio wakwa kũrĩtũra thĩinĩ ũcio mũrori wakwa mũrori wakwa mũrori wakwa nĩ arĩ hinya mũingĩ wa kũhotanĩra rĩrĩa ndĩna thĩna nĩwe ũteithio wakwa rĩrĩa ndĩna thĩna nĩwe ũteithio wakwa. Record.